Namaskar, I'm Gogi from How To Doer. Today we're gonna talk about that how we can easily fill this type of cash deposit slips for your ICICI bank. We're gonna talk about this ICICI bank, that how you can easily fill this cash deposit slip. Many times we start gazing into others slip and we don't know how to fill this and how we can do so, because they are not a big thing and you don't have to hesitate anything about it, because you can fill this slip easily. But I gonna let you know how and what you have to fill into it. First of all, requesting you like the video, subscribe the channel and get more videos, and comment below if you like this video. Now this slip you get after tearing from our hair and after stamping and signaturing over here, and this will kept by the bank itself. Now what we have to do and what we have to fill, first of all, in this scenario you have to fill the branch name wherever you are standing, in whichever branch location you have to enter over here. That is, in my scenario I am filling this in New Delhi, and after that you have to enter the date, on which date you are depositing the cash into your bank. That if I depositing it on 1st April 2024, then I have to enter it like this, 0104 2024. Now after that it is asking you about the bank account number, and before that you have to tick on saving bank account or current account or recurring deposit or anything, whichever type of account you have to select that. In my scenario I'm saving bank account. Now this is the option for entering the bank account number that you can get found on your passbook. And this is the option for credit card. If you are filling a credit card details, you can fill over here, or you can fill the loan account if you have. Now you have to enter account holder's name. You have to enter the name. In my scenario I'm typing it over here, Mr. Gogi. And now particulars, how much money we are depositing. In my scenario I'm depositing 1000 rupees. I fill 1000 over here, that is rupees and 1000 rupees. And in particulars we can write the check number also if we have a check, or if we can type or write we can cash 1000 rupees also. Now you have to go to this, and in total you have to enter the total amount. Write in the words, you have to write in the words how much money you have to write over there. In my scenario I'm writing over here 1000 rupees. Now the same process follows over here. There are nothing special over here. You have to first of all enter the date over here in the same process. Now you have to select the bank account type, and after that you have to enter the bank account number. And after that, if you don't have bank account, you have a loan account or credit card, then you can fill over here and mark dash into it, otherwise mark dash into it. Now what we have to do, we have to enter the name of account holder. In my scenario I'm typing Mr. Gogi, and the contact number you have to enter over here. You have to write, I'm just saying enter or type, but I'm sorry, you have to write it over here. And after that the branch again, that where are you standing, on which bank account branch. If you have a check details, you can name of the bank branch and check number, and after that amount which you want to get credited into your account. Now in cash scenario you can dash this and enter the amount, exactly what is the amount. And after that in total there are no option, but I by mistake written over here, but it's not required. Now you have to give the details in the words, that is like this, 1000 only. And now the cash details, if you have a cash, think if you have a 2000 rupees, it's already demonetized. There are not 2000 rupees in India. Now it can you check out, this is 500 rupees. If you have 500 rupees note, then you have to type 2 over here and the exact amount 1000 rupees. If in your hand one 500 rupees note, then 500, and 5 notes of 100 rupees, then 500, 500, 500, it's total 1000 rupees. You have to mark your signature over here, and that's it. Your form is ready to complete. Now if you are depositing money into any other one's account, then you have to give your details, the date on which you are doing this. After that, how much money you are depositing and what is the reason why you are depositing the cash, and after that you have to signature over here, your depositor's name, and after that contact details and the relation with the account holders in which you are depositing the money. So that's the process how you can easily fill this performa, and you need cash and you have to deposit it in your bank account. So that's the process. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends, don't subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. Hope we helped you into it.